Hey y'all, welcome back. Listen, last episode I went ahead and changed the pigtail down here on my oil pressure sending unit, and that did not fix my problem. Basically what I've got going on is that on my oil pressure gauge, it's basically climbing to 10 and then just sitting there. So got an issue somewhere. It's either electrical or it's with the sending unit itself. So today we're going to replace the sender. Stay tuned. All right, Joe. So in many ways, this is much easier. This job, if I could be excited about a Jeep job, this would be it. And basically what I've got is, I don't know how this is going to be oriented, so I'm going to have to be careful when I edit this video. But basically what I've got here is boy, what a glare on that. Can't even get it in the field. Standard products that I got at O'Reilly's. It's not OEM Mopar, and people who tell you that you need to go OEM Mopar are correct, but I have really good luck with standard. All my fuel injectors are standard. So I actually recommend these things, but you know what? Mopar is definitely probably a better option. Probably. I don't know. Anyway, so the reason I'm not fearing this job is because it's really as easy as this. Essentially, you flick the red connector, unplug. Oh, you got to squeeze, unplug. Then get your handy dandy adjustable wrench on there and start just loosening her up just like you would any normal bolt. This is not rocket science. I need to get a better angle for the GoPro camera so you can actually see this stuff. Now, at this point, if you were going to basically be doing a job where you're unclogging stuff to see if that works, you would take a paper towel and, kind of get it all, you roll it up and then start pushing it in there. Look online for videos. I'm not sure if you can spray anything in there. You just want to be careful with your sensors in general. But you want to unclog there, and then right here where I just unscrewed it is a hole leading into the where your oil is and stuff, and actually where your cam position sensor and oil pump, it's right next to that. So there's a hole in here that goes straight in and then straight down from there, and you want to kind of put something in there, maybe the end of a zip tie or something like that, and just kind of make sure there are no clogging it up. But I've already tried that and it did nothing. So here's your standard oil pressure sender. It's already the threads are already pre-coated with stuff so it won't leak, to stop it from leaking. And I am going to just start by hand tightening it. All right. do one more revolution and that should be it. I don't want to over tighten this. Alright, and at this point, you just plug her in. Make sure that's snug. Lock her up. Let me test start. Look at that, I got oil pressure. All right, ladies and germs, that was it. That was the problem. So, phew, I'm just glad that was the problem. So in any case, hopefully this helps somebody. Look, you know, don't forget, like, subscribe. And what do I always say? It's not a Jeep, it's a Chrysler. Yeah, you get it. All right, like, subscribe, Doc out. Oh, you made it to the end. That's awesome. Listen, I'm Doc. I'm the one who's, the voice behind these videos. And I really appreciate you taking the time to actually watch the whole thing. That's fantastic. If you've got time, if you want to, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified of new videos when I put them up. I'm going to try and do one a week. And I'm going to do a bunch of Instagram stuff, so make sure you follow me there and on Twitter. Instagram's going to be the shorter stuff. I don't have any merchandise yet. I'm planning to as the channel grows. If I succeed, I'll get some merch. For now, if you really want to help me in another way, you like these videos enough, I'm going to put links to my books in the description of the video. I'm a science fiction author in my spare time as well, so I'm juggling a lot of balls. But anyway, I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you at the next one. Hey, do me a favor and turn this junk off. I don't know how to deal with tech.